Hello guys, I have found a money tree and you can pluck as much as money out of it, and that money tree is known as the tree of affiliate marketing. And I'm going to show you a very awesome strategy with which you can start promoting affiliate products just now from today. This is going to be a really important video. This is a long-term strategy, so if you are thinking to make some quick bucks, then this is not the video for you. But if you are really interested in making money online via affiliate marketing for a long period of time and you want a sustainable income, then this is one of the best methods which you can utilize in 2020 to make money doing affiliate marketing. So let's jump into content without wasting any of your time, because I know your time is very precious. You have no time to waste. Okay, so now let's jump into content. Okay, first of all is that you have to go to Instagram and you can see this is the page. Okay, this is one of the page which I have opened as an example. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to create this type of page. Okay, now you are not going to take out all these photographs okay, you don't have to click all these photographs. Okay, you just have to create a page and upload this type of photographs. Now I am gonna tell you where you will find this type of photographs, but one thing is very important and very strategic which I will be telling you in this video, so just keep watching the video. This is really a very secret trick which very few people tell you. Okay, now what you have to do is go to this website. Okay, unsplash.com. this is a website where you can find high resolution photos of nature as well as any other things which you like, and you can use this photos to your Instagram page. Okay, now I am going to here highlight a very important feature of this page. Okay, you can see this for feature, follow and tag. Okay, this is one of the most important thing. Okay, what they are doing is they are asking people who are photographers that they will feature their photos on their Instagram page. Okay, they are asking other people that if you want your photos on our page, then you can feature them. All you have to do is tag to our photos. Okay, okay, so if they use this hashtag, okay, BNS Earth, then they can feature their photo over here. So this is very good. Okay, so what they are doing is at first they are using some of the content taking from this type of websites and uploading and growing some followers. Now what you can do for growing followers, if you have up to 1,000 followers, people will be ready to provide you their content so that they can feature, you can feature their content on your page. Okay, now what you have to do this method is, first of all you have to gain 1,000 followers, and for that you can use this website and upload 100 to 200 photos to your Instagram profile utilizing hashtags. Okay, one of the mistake which many people make is that they don't utilize hashtags. Okay, you can see here they are using some of the hashtags, but there is a big opportunity over here because you can utilize almost 30 hashtags, okay, in your post, and this increases reach of your, what can we say, that photo. Okay, so this will increase your traffic by much amount and your followers too. Okay, so what you are doing is, first thing is that you are going to create a page, upload some of the copyright free images, and then you are going to upload those images, 100 to 200 images. Okay, this is a long term method. You have to put in some work. You have to download 100 to 200 images. It may take only an hour or two to do this stuff. Okay, and upload it to your Instagram page. Okay, so you have what you have some of the content on your Instagram page. Another thing, you have to now start following people. Now I am going to show you how you have to follow people. You cannot follow any random people. Okay, just search here photography. Okay, so here let's say hash photographer. This is one of the hashtags which you can find over here. So see, many of the photos over here appear. For example, this one, see this one. Okay, now what you have to do is just click on these photos and find out how many people are following these photos. Do it with the recent photos. Okay, so for example this one, whatever the recent photos are, what you have to do is just find out the recent photo and see how many people have liked that photos, and what you have to do is follow those people. Okay, because those and follow the photos, follow the people who like the photos which are almost an hour ago. okay, uploaded an hour ago, because these are the photos which are really very recent, and the people liking those photos are really active on Instagram. Okay, so then what will happen is, when you follow those people will follow you back, and in this way you just have to push your Instagram account until 2000 to 3000 followers. After you have pushed your account to 2000 to 3000 followers using follow for follow method, after that you can stop that follow for follow method, and you will start receiving organic Instagram traffic. Okay, so this is the key, this is the, what can we say, the secret how people grow their Instagram pages. And after, once you have grown your Instagram page to 3000 to 4000 followers, okay, then what you have to do is type this type of line, okay, and make a hashtag for your Instagram page, so that whoever wants to feature their photos on your page will tag you with this hashtag. Okay, so the first thing is done, and another thing is that you will provide a photography course over here. So this is the page where most of the people who will visit your page are going to be interested in photography. Okay, and people are going to buy courses, because this is a really big market and very big trend. Okay, Instagram is one of the best hub where you can find many people who are interested in photography and many other this type of stuff. Okay, so this is going to be really targeted traffic, because your page is related to photography. You are promoting some valuable content or course which is related to photography. So what you have is a targeted audience to be sent to your course, okay, who is really interested and passionate about photography. So this is really awesome. You are absolutely getting targeted traffic. Even if you get 10 to 100 clicks per day, you are definitely going to make 2 to 3 sales every single day, because it is super targeted traffic which you are going to send. Okay, so if you make 3 sales a day, you are easily going to get $100 a day. And the program which you are going to promote is this one. This is known as Digital Photography School. It pays you $40 of commission for each sale, and you can sign up here absolutely for free. So this is awesome. And the one of the most important thing about this program only costs $100. So it is not that the if you promote a very costly course, then it is possibility that people don't have that amount of money and they won't buy. But $100 is still a reasonable price. Okay, so most of the people are likely to get converted, because they are highly targeted hot traffic, and they can get converted, because $100 is not really a very big amount for people to spend. Okay, so you can definitely start making some money doing this stuff. Okay, this is really simple. What I just want to tell you that you should stick to one of the methods of mine. Okay, you can check out all my videos and stick to one method for 1 week or 1 month, whichever is suitable to you. That I'm going to take action on this method on this video, which is shown to me by Moneymaker, and I will be earning money. Okay, so if you stick to one of my methods for a month, it is definitely 100% guarantee that you are going to make a commission, make a sale doing affiliate marketing or doing content creation. These are the both topics which I teach on my channel. So if you like my video, if you like my content, then just press the subscribe button as hard as you can, and there will be a bell icon which appears next to it. Press that also, and this is going to be really awesome content is coming up on this channel. So just press the subscribe button and stay tuned. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.